Welcome to Motorcycle News channel. KTM have announced that they will be doing an R badges version of the RC390, the more track-tuned sibling for the already manic RC390 Supersport. The updated higher-strung RC390 R Supersport will get functions like fully adjustable race-spec WP suspension, folding brake levers and clutch levers and race-spec yoke and more track-tuned handlebar, all of which have been made to give better results around the track. What makes it even sweeter is the RC390 R will also get an updated engine with shorter intake stacks and a slightly wider power band, making it more punchy. All of which really exciting, right? The 2018 KTM RC390 R itself will cost €8,500, while the race kit will set you back €11,000. And, according to KTM, the kit cannot be retrospectively fitted to older RC models. Still, this could spark a new wave of fresh homologation lightweights from other manufacturers, especially given the success of SSP 300 racing across the globe and British Superbikes launching their very own SSP 300 support class in 2018.